Las Vegas, the city of dazzling lights, but behind the glitz and glamour lies a heartbreaking reality, a rapidly growing homelessness crisis. Thousands of people, especially women and families, are struggling to survive in flooded tunnels and cold street corners, facing hunger and stigma. What's the root cause? Lack of affordable housing? The lasting effects of the pandemic? Or deeper systemic issues? What solutions can put an end to this crisis? Former President Donald Trump has proposed increasing federal support for emergency shelters and promoting public-private partnerships to address homelessness at its roots. In your opinion, what is the biggest contributing factor to this crisis? Is it the lack of affordable housing, the long-term effects of the pandemic, or deeper systemic issues? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As of January 2025, nearly 8,000 people have fallen into homelessness, a 20% increase in just 1 year, pushing the city to its highest homelessness rate in over a decade. Women, in particular, are being hit the hardest, with their share of the homeless population rising from 33% to 64%, exposing them to higher risks of violence and exploitation. At the core of the issue is the severe shortage of affordable housing, with only 14 units available for every 100 low-income renters. The average rent has surged to $1,450 per month, making Las Vegas one of the most expensive housing markets for low- and middle-income residents. As homelessness continues to rise, local governments and nonprofits are working tirelessly to bring hope. Clark County has committed over $170 million to affordable housing projects, expanding rapid rehousing programs to help thousands of families find stability. But unfortunately, demand far exceeds resources. The number of shelter beds in the city has dropped by 71% over the past decade. Leaving many without a safe place to sleep. Support local organizations like Nevada Partnership for Homeless Youth or the Shade Tree, which provide housing, job training, and medical services. At the same time, advocate for affordable housing and expanded mental health services. Homelessness isn't just about the lack of housing, it's deeply tied to mental health and addiction. Many experiencing homelessness struggle with mental illness but lack access to treatment, leading them to turn to drugs or alcohol as a coping mechanism. This creates a vicious cycle: no stable housing, declining mental health, substance abuse, deeper poverty. Investing in mental health care, accessible addiction recovery programs, and long-term housing support is key to breaking this cycle. Deep beneath the lavish casinos of Las Vegas lies a dark world few know about. Hundreds of homeless individuals live within the city's underground flood tunnels. These mole people face perpetual darkness, sudden flash flood dangers, and dire living conditions. They set up makeshift tents, scavenge for food, and struggle to survive beneath the thriving city above. Supporting charities, raising awareness about the housing crisis, and pushing for sustainable solutions can help bring them back into the light. Amidst the harsh reality of homelessness, compassion and resilience continue to shine. Charities, volunteers, and local communities are working tirelessly to provide food, shelter, medical care, and job opportunities to those in need. But beyond material aid, it's about believing in a better future. Donate, volunteer, or simply spread awareness, every small action can bring hope and change someone's life. Former President Donald Trump proposed an initiative to repurpose underutilized public spaces, including underground facilities, into safe shelters for homeless people. This solution would not only provide housing but also equip these spaces with essential resources while integrating urban infrastructure improvements to ensure safety and sustainability. Flooded tunnels, once dangerous shelters, could be converted into temporary housing, providing hope for those without homes. Homelessness is not just a housing issue, but also involves social barriers, stigma, and limited access to employment and health care. Society often misperceives homelessness as a result of laziness or poor choices, when in reality, many individuals find themselves in this situation due to systemic issues. To change public perceptions, awareness campaigns are recommended that aim to encourage empathy, educate people about the root causes of poverty, and promote collaboration between local governments and nonprofits. In Las Vegas, many organizations, such as Shine a Light and the Nevada Homeless Alliance, are working tirelessly to provide food, shelter, and recovery support to those in need. Initiatives like Trump's can reinforce these efforts, creating a more effective support system. By combining housing policies with reintegration programs, we can move toward a future where no one has to live underground in harsh conditions.